Abuse VQ, stay locked in.
What's going on, team? I don't know how many drone enthusiasts I still got out there, especially anybody that still has the ancient super artifact GoPro Karma. But squad, I did not go through the whole like computer having to take the micro SD out of the camera and everything to get my joint going. I mean, I can give y'all the once over on what I did to get it working, and literally see, up to date, up to date, up to date, up to date. So I did it like this, and then I can't front, like for like 5 minutes I was playing with the battery trying to like get it to turn on properly. So that was my biggest struggle. Once I got it to turn on properly like this, in all honesty, everything connected how it's supposed to. So I don't know if it's something with the gimbal that throws this whole device off when that's not recognized now. But everything, as you can see, team, is up to date. Let's see if we can't give y'all a small demo. Booyah. You see what I see? You feel me? Let's put this over here right quick. So let's get the wings going. I mean, the colors. I ain't see this in forever.
Compass interference. Move to a new location or recalibrate the compass.
Booyah. I got nothing. Because there's no GPS? Let's see. Let's see.
Compass interference. Move to a new location or recalibrate the compass.
You know what? Let's do that. Alright, squad. So, as y'all saw, I was trying to get everything going, and it was telling me that I needed to recalibrate my compass. But while I'm in here and I have everything connected, let's just go recalibrate everything.
Calibrating stabilizer.
Ooh, let's go. Let's go. I like that. Okay. Calibrate me, please. Appreciate it.
Calibration complete.
Haha. Cool. There we go. So now let's. Up. Just gonna tilt out. Okay, so let's start. Let's roll it to the left. And then let's roll it to the right. Calibration was complete on that. Let's go back. Hold on now. All right, no media.
Compass interference. Move to a new location or recalibrate the compass.
Let me go calibrate this. All right, squad. So.
Ready to fly.
Haha! I like that. Let's go. I just did all of the recalibrations and everything is up to snuff. I did the compass already, accelerometer, joysticks, tilt wheel and a stabilizer. So everything has been calibrated. Again, let's just take you guys back. Well, while we're in here too, just to let you know, like, everything is working. Let's go down here. Front lights. It be the simple things for us, gentlemen, I swear. Oh, especially when you get something working. Like, this joint has not worked literally for like the past 5 months. When was the last time I shot my aerial? It might have been before the summer, at the beginning of the summer. I don't know, whatever. But it's been a minute. Haven't been able to fly this joint. So knowing that everything works, for the most part in that sense. And let's see, what else do we have? Ooh, let's see.
3, 2, 1.
Hey! Let's go, squad. Let's go. So, does anybody want to hear how I got my joint squared away? Anybody? Anybody? So, squad, y'all think it's about a game? It's not about a game, kid. Oh, let me get this bright light out your face. But y'all know what time it is, though, right quick. Just right quick.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go. Let's go. I don't know about y'all, but that's a great sound to hear, man. Been crunching this joint for hours today, though. But, whew. Oh, man. Just a beautiful sound. Well, just to let y'all know, there still is one GoPro Karma functional on the east side. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh man, we're about to just come out and have some fun. I'm about to just throw on the GoPro and stitch it up. Oh man, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Ready to fly.
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Let me charge my battery. Let's go.